process of life is the process of how the universe generates structure. So like things that exist, most of the things that could exist will have to be made by a living process. Like, because the space of things above this kind of complexity threshold that the universe could create is far larger than can exist in a non-living universe. It's not even exponentially large. It's like infinitely larger. If you believe in infinities. I'm not sure I believe in infinities as a physical object, but like intangibly larger. So almost everything the universe will ever generate as a unique object will be the product of life. And I think, to me, I don't know. It's like you get those happy feelings of like, you know, like you hear Carl Sagan or like somebody talking about like the mystery of the cosmos and where the way the universe gets to know itself. I just feel like this kind of explanation is so deep at that level about like how deep and intrinsic to the structure of physical reality we really are. I find that empowering. And I find the fact that like, you know, thinking that the universe is not actually deterministic. The future hasn't happened yet. It has to be constructed. No one can actually even predict what the future looks like. Like we actually have to make it. Like those kind of narratives I think are really interesting, and they feel much more deeply intrinsically alive than the sort of philosophy around current physics.